How to fix Microsoft Teams error 657RX. There's two codes you can go ahead and copy beforehand, which is App Data, Microsoft, and just Teams, or basically just this one. Or you can just go ahead and get rid of this one for the second one. But anyways, the first thing you can go ahead and try to do is to clear the Microsoft Team cache. So corrupted temporary files can often cause this error. So go ahead and quit the team completely. Just go ahead and exit the app itself. What you're gonna have to do now is press on Windows and then R at the same time to open this up. So first you're gonna have to copy this, then just go ahead and press on paste and OK. It's gonna open up a little file. What you're gonna have to do is delete everything from that folder. If you're afraid of losing something, or you don't want to risk it, of course you can just go ahead and move it to another folder, but it's recommended to just go ahead and delete everything. So this forces Teams to rebuild fresh cache, so just go ahead and reopen the Teams app itself and sign in again. Another is to just go ahead and open it up as like this. It's gonna open up this file over here. So you're gonna have to reconnect your account or reinstall Microsoft Teams as well. So find the Microsoft Teams app itself. It should be found into the apps over here, and then just go ahead and navigate yourself to Microsoft Teams and just uninstall. So delete Microsoft Teams and then the folders of it, then re-download the latest version as well. For anything, make sure you are updated to the latest version for the app itself as well. One last thing you can go ahead and try and do is just open up your credential manager. Go to the search section, search for credential manager or this one over here, and go to Windows credentials. What you're gonna have to do is look for entries containing Microsoft Teams or Office or login.microsoft.com. What you're gonna have to do is just go ahead and remove those and restart your computer and try opening Teams and sign in again. But those are a few options you can go ahead and try to potentially help you with this problem. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.